to my channel. Today we shall write a simple Python program to display the pass of 2. Okay, so this can be done in two ways. Firstly, by using a recursive function and again by using a lambda function. Okay, let us write the same program by using two different types of functions. So without any delay, let us get into our PyCharm. I'm on my PyCharm now. So firstly, let us do the thing by using a recursive function. Okay, I'll define a function named power2 and I'll take a parameter n here. Okay, now I want, if n is equals to 1, I want the function to return 2. As we know that the power of 1 is 2, right? Sorry, the power of 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Else I want the function to return two into power 2 of n minus 1. Okay, this is the recursive function. Now I want to ask my user the number of powers to be printed. Okay, now I'll just ask the terms is equals to int input, enter the number. Now I want for I in range terms, I want to print the power 2 of I. Okay, so I'll run the program now. Yeah, it's asking to enter the number. Let's say 5. Sorry, here the range starts from 0, right? But we have started the recursive function at 1. So let me give it 1. Yeah, this time we got the pass up to 4. If you want pass up to the required number, just give terms plus 1. As the range stops at the number 1 before the last term. Okay, yeah, we got the 5 powers of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and 2 power 5. Now let us do the same thing by using an anonymous function. Okay, let me remove this function as we do not need any specific function for anonymous functions, right? So I have asked the user for the terms and now I want a list to store all the powers of 2 is equals to list of, I want to map my lambda function with the range. Lambda, let me give a variable x power 2. Okay, now I want to map it with the range. Sorry, up to the terms, right? Now if you want to remove the first for loop and directly print the list, you can do that, but I want to print it as for part 2 of I, right? Now I'll run the program. This time again I'll have 5. List index out of range. Sorry, here we have given range only up to terms and in our for loop we have taken up to terms plus 1, right? I'll run it again. Yeah. Sorry, it's not x power 2, it's 2 power x, right? Yeah. this time we got all the powers of 2 up to 5 terms. In the same way, you can use it for any number, not only for 2. So in this video we have learned about the recursive functions and also lambda functions, right? If you don't know about the concepts, go to my video. I have given in the suggested videos in this video, so you can go through them and learn about them. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any Python buddies, share it with them. And to learn Python in a very easy manner, please subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any doubts, feel free to reach me out in the comment section. I'm always there to reply. Thank you. Bye-bye.